My name is Midsy, but you can call me Teacher Kim instead, and I will be your online English teacher for today. I have been teaching kids and adults online and offline for quite some time now. I'm also a TESOL certificate holder. During my free time, I try to learn other languages, such as Chinese and Japanese. I also love baking and reading books. English is a universal language, which makes it essential in our daily lives, especially when it comes to dealing with foreigners. English can be a little tricky oftentimes, and as a teacher, I'm very understanding when it comes to mistakes, so don't worry, because I will guide you in becoming a proficient English speaker. I believe that every student has a great potential in achieving their goals. The right teacher just have to motivate and bring out the best in them. I'm looking forward in meeting you in our class, and I hope to see you soon.